It's freezing cold today. Why I have to clean all this? Cold at a low temperature. It's freezing cold today. It's freezing cold today. Commercial, relating to buying and selling things. The council wants to put the bus service on a commercial footing. Dry, used to describe something that has no water or other liquid in. I hung his wet shirt on the radiator, but it is not dry yet. Oh, it's not dry yet. Working, relating to work, operating. It has taken about 5 years to restore the aircraft to working condition. Whole, complete or not divided. I spent the whole day cleaning. Why I have to clean all this? Double, twice the size, amount, price, etc. The word cool has a double O in the middle. C-O-O-L, double O. Opposite, completely different. He held the opposite view of his brother. Equal, the same in amount, number, or size. Are the two bags equal in weight? Yes, they are equal. Firm, not soft, but not completely hard. The bed in the hotel was not firm enough. I can't sleep well, it's not firm enough. Internal, existing or happening inside a person. He sustained injuries to his arms, legs, and several internal organs. আশা করি আজকের ভিডিওটি আপনাদের ভালো লেগেছে। নেক্সট এপিসোডে নতুন কিছু ওয়ার্ডস নিয়ে আবার দেখা হবে।